Well, take a look at this. Crews worked to rescue a man who fell 20 feet down a manhole in California on Thursday. They say a call came in around 2:30 in the afternoon for a construction worker who was trapped in that manhole. People who lived or worked in the area were also asked to avoid the area while the recovery took place. The construction worker was found and recovered from the manhole a couple of hours later. He was assessed and treated by paramedics at the scene before taken to the hospital.